Here I am with this new sous vide cooker. I have actually never really even heard of this, so I just thought, why not try it? It looks fun, and from the reviews, people are saying their food is moist and it gives them a constant temperature. If you're somebody who is forgetful, who might be prone to burning things or overcooking, especially your meat, this seems to be perfect for somebody like that, which would be me. I tend to overcook my meat, and checking the internal temperature, always doing that. Took some food safety classes, and I am paranoid about my meat and I overcook. That's tending to be what I do. So anyways, this sous vide cooker is helpful for, it cooks your meat in a pot of water. So I have my pot of water here filled all the way up to the top. All I did is took out my sous vide piece here and I plugged it in. When I plugged it in, I went on and I downloaded, actually didn't have to download. I thought I was gonna have to download the app. The app is here, there's a little QR code. I already had the app on my phone. I've actually owned another object that uses this app for over a year. So now this app is a trusted app to me and I like that. So I just had to add the device, and it says my cooker and done. So my device is added successfully. Took about 1 minute out of the box to do that, which is great. So now it's just doing its thing here and going to tell me a little bit about how I'm going to get this started. I do already have some fish here prepared. I put some onions and butter. This is tilapia, and so I have this ready to go. I pushed start cooking on my pot, on the sous vide that's in my pot right now. And so I just wanted to show you can stop this from your phone. And you can change it. If you like cook time, I can completely cancel, but I can stop that. So I stopped it. It is now done. But there are different modes here and cloud recipes that are available to you. So my mode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I can cook this at either Celsius or Fahrenheit. I have it at Fahrenheit. You're not gonna wanna go any really lower than 130. I'm gonna be going to 145 with my fish and start at about a half hour. So I'm gonna confirm the Fahrenheit. My cook time right now I have at 30 minutes, and that's very easy for you to switch up, but that's I can just confirm my cook time, and my cook temperature is right here. So everything is very easy, and you can just move this around to what exactly you need. And I'm gonna go to 145, 144, and confirm that. So all I have to do from my phone is push start, which is done. That was super easy. I can't wait to see the end result and try my food. And once your temperature comes to where you want it, I have mine at 144. My timer has started counting down and I'm at 20 minutes left while my fish cooks. And here it says enjoy the food, and that it's done. And it is beeping, telling me my food is all done. Let's go ahead and open our final product. We're just finishing up our countdown on and it is done. When you're done with it, just take your retainer out, dump out the water, and you're all set to go. All right, here I have my food here, and I'm just gonna show you how nice and flaky this is. It came apart great. Let's go ahead and try it. Now the fish tastes nice and moist, not dry at all, and cooked to perfection.